It's free of charge. Liking the video doesn't cost you anything. You're just clicking the like button. And you know the magic that it does? When you click the like button, it tells YouTube algorithm that this guy is doing an amazing content, and then the YouTube video gets promoted to as many people as possible. So do me that favor. Please like the video. It's free of charge. Subscribe to the channel, it's free of charge. Watching me is also free. Is it free? It costs you internet. Yeah. Wasabi, 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 wasabi. Hi there, how are you? Thank you for clicking to watch my video. How is everything going? Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Tell me where you're watching me from. How was your day? My day was fine. I appreciate the love of God. I appreciate everyone that is tuned in. I appreciate your time. Yes, so if you have the energy, click the like button. If you have time, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video from Nairobi, Kenya. We're coming live from Nairobi. I was to tell you that whatever you're doing, whatever that you purpose to do, don't quit. Keep on believing in yourself. I know this statement has been used over and over again, but it works because no one is going to believe in you. Even your family members, your friends, your colleagues are going to discourage you. They are going to tell you that you can't make it on YouTube. You can't succeed. You're a failure. You're a terrible failure. If someone tells you that you are a terrible failure, tell them you are the one that is a terrible failure. I am made for more. I am made to succeed. I will succeed irrespective of whether you believe on me or not. Yes. So encourage yourself. Be your first motivator. Before anyone else can motivate you, be the first one to motivate yourself. Okay? Be the first one to motivate yourself. And then master a niche, master a skill, master something that you are good at, and do it over and over again until people believe in you. Kwani kwa nini? Nimemaliza 1 hour nikiongea hapa peke yangu. So since nimemaliza 1 hour nikiongea peke yangu, I am gonna end this live stream here, and hope that you guys are gonna subscribe to my channel. You're gonna follow me. You umeiva wenye koga nimbe Two people on the live, 3 people. Please like the video, man. Click the like button, subscribe. I'm breaking my hands before I finish this live stream because we were supposed to do it for 1 hour and it's already 1 hour.